Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Lux Research Innovation Leaders Series. And I am so delighted to have a very distinguished leader with us today, Pascale Wautelet. She's the Global VP of Research, Development, and Sustainability at Avery Dennison. Welcome.
Thank you, Marisa. I'm delighted to be here. Thank you so much for inviting me for this fire chat.
Yes, so we have a lot to learn. I got to know Pascale in Amsterdam earlier this year. We had an executive roundtable, so we shared a lot. And she's quite an inspiration to me, and I hope today that she also inspires you. So let's start with an inspiring topic, which is innovation strategy. At your organization, what does innovation mean at Avery Dennison, and kind of like, how do you do innovation strategy at your company?
I think innovation for us today, it has not always been like that, but innovation for us, and for me in particular, I think it's really about bringing new, highly differentiated solution for something that has a high demand or an unmet need in the market. So it really creates value for customer and business. And I have to say, this is somehow something a little bit new as well for us, because historically, innovation at Avery Dennison was very much associated with a new product. And we would innovate. We are very strong in technology. We are a material science company. So the innovation was very much historically technology push. So we would put products in the market and not necessarily thinking about solution like new business model or service.
Our kind of the pinnacle of our research agenda is this concept of human-centric innovation, which essentially means not a technology-centric or technology-first approach to innovation, that you have to think about your markets and your buyers and client needs, and even B2B organizations have to understand the downstream needs of consumers, even if they're not creating the consumer products, but the end market for eventually where they are in the value chain. With that, when you think about more solutions, are you incorporating more of that into your innovation roadmap? Like, how are you changing the way you're doing innovation road mapping to expand beyond just the technology and material sciences?
Yeah, and so for sure, in particular, in the last, you see how changes go so fast in the last couple of years, and this change is gonna accelerate even more. And a way that we think about innovation is really to look at the trends in the different segment and industry or market we serve. We have a quite broad range of product, and we serve for sure beverage, food, health and personal care, but also automotive, building, construction, medical, logistics. So it's quite broad, but I think that the important is really to look at what are the mega trends. First of all, the big mega trends we saw in the past couple of years. Certainly, sustainability and digitalization are touching and transforming all industry. Doesn't matter which segment you serve, and for sure, because a lot of our portfolio is labeled that goes to decorate and help to inform consumer, label that goes in packaging, you can imagine sustainability had really a big impact. But the way we do, yes, it's absolutely to be in the ecosystem, ensure that from each of the industry, not only directly from our customer, but from the entire value chain. Because our
Right.
customer sometimes doesn't know necessarily what exactly they need, but innovation is about really being very curious and go in the entire value chain, understand and anticipating the changes that are coming.